Good afternoon. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my cabin tonight. Getting ready to make rhubarb pie. So while I'm waiting for that thing to stand, I figured I'd talk about what's next on the menu. And maybe how to use my channel. This would be a good opportunity for that, because I have people asking different recipes and stuff like that I've already done. So they're in the channel, you just got to be able to find them. Anytime that I do a cooking recipe, don't matter what it is, if it's cooked on the stove or cooked in the oven or cooked on the wood fire or cooked in the Dutch oven, I have two spots on my channel that you can find them. Go to playlist, go to my home page, you'll see playlist, and get into the playlist and look for anything cooking. I think there's two in there. One of them is campfire cooking, lots of recipes in there. People that are looking for the bread recipe, how to make the campfire bread, that's in the campfire cooking playlist. And the other one is camp cook. Anything says cooking. I can't remember the names. I probably should have looked it up. The other one is camp cooking, something like that. I do know that there's two playlists running that has everything that I've ever videotaped as far as cooking. So if you want to know the meat pies, or you want to know about this rhubarb pie or the deer meat pie that I just made, the donuts. That's where you'll find those videos. And the other thing is, if you want to know anything about fire building, there's a video in there that just says fire building. Go to that playlist and you'll find all of the videos that I have on building fires. I've gone in, cleaned up the playlist so that all that will be in that playlist is stuff about fires. Just like the cooking. I've gone in and cleaned up the cooking so that all that's in there is the cooking. That's all you'll find in those playlists. So I've got rid of everything that has nothing to do with cooking. You will also find other playlists like all the videos for 2021, all the videos for 2022, all the videos for 2023. So every video I took in 2022 is in that playlist. If you want to go back and look at some of the old stuff, it's all broke down in there. 21. I think I started in 2018, but I don't know. I don't think I put into practice yet all videos for 2021 until a couple of years in. It took me a while to figure out how to organize everything inside of YouTube. So hopefully that'll help you out in trying to find some of the videos that I've got. Go back and check them out, because there's a lot of good stuff back there, and that's why I did it. I did all those videos because they have everything to do with this kind of lifestyle. I have a playlist on building the little cabin that I built next to me, and that's I think it's building a cabin for under $1,500. Well, get in. Let's go for a boat ride. There's a loon. The wind is driving me nuts. The older I get, the less I like wind. I have a playlist on Beaver Creek, how we built Beaver Creek. All the videos for Beaver Creek, and I think there's 28 or 29 that are numbered right down through building of Beaver Creek. So if you want to follow Beaver Creek, there's a playlist for following how I built Beaver Creek. And then I have a playlist for 2022 bear hunt. That's in there. The only thing that's in that playlist is the bear hunt for 2022. And the same thing with the deer hunt. 2022 deer hunt, all that's in there was everything to do with deer hunting for 2022 over at Beaver Creek. So that's the best way to use my channel when trying to find videos. Decided I probably ought to do a video like this because I have 560 videos right now, and maybe even more than that. So by the end of this year, we'll be over 600 videos. So kind of got to make them a little easier for everybody to find. But go back into those archives and watch some of that stuff, because I go back and watch because I forget what I did, and I'm saying, oh, I like that, I like that. So you might like it too. This is really getting juicy now. So that tapioca and that sugar is breaking down the rhubarb. I go straight rhubarb because the rhubarb is growing here. It's growing right over there. So I can go over there and I can pick my rhubarb. You can say, yeah, I can go over there and pick my rhubarb and put it in this. I can go over there and pick my rhubarb and put it in this pie plate. Now the video for making this is a video all by itself. It's just you're coming at the tail end. So I'll leave it in here. But go look for the video making rhubarb pie if you're interested. Very simple. If you own a camp, I highly recommend putting in a rhubarb patch. So, you guys have a great week. I will see you in the next one. I'm going to return to the other video where I'm making this pie.